Welcome to the best picks. The best Gerber toilet is probably one of the most underappreciated fixtures in your home, but choosing the right one can make a huge difference. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Gerber toilets, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out. We'll cover everything from flushing power and water efficiency to design and installation, so you can make an informed decision for your bathroom. Number 5. Gerber 99-647. This is the Gerber 99-647. It's a reliable tool designed for various tasks. You can count on it to get the job done. The Gerber 99-647 is built to last. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions. It's a great addition to any toolbox. With the Gerber 99-647, you'll experience efficiency. Its design allows for ease of use and maximum performance. It's a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Gerber 99-647 offers versatility. It's suitable for a wide range of applications. You'll find it indispensable for your projects. Get your hands on the Gerber 99-647 today. It's a tool you can depend on for years to come. It's the perfect choice for those seeking quality and performance. What we like. This product ensures consistent and reliable flushing, thanks to Gerber's trusted quality. If you are looking for a dependable solution that you can count on, this is the perfect choice for your bathroom. What people say. Our flapper on our Gerber toilet failed after about 12 years. Ordered this replacement and it was exactly like the OEM flapper. Easy install and perfect fit. If you need a flapper for your Gerber crapper, look no farther. Can't find this match anywhere else. Lowe's and Home Depot tried to sell me a universal, but they don't seem to fit or seal well. This helped drop my water bill significantly. Super easy to install and works flawlessly in our Gerber commode. Number 4. BEFIOPHY GA715014 GEG1 Toilet Flapper Replacement. This toilet flapper is made from durable plastic, ensuring it will last. It's built to withstand regular use and maintain its integrity over time. Installing this flapper is quick and easy, thanks to its floor-mounted design. You can set it up in no time, without any complicated steps. The transparent design makes it easy to inspect. You can quickly check its condition and clean it as needed. This flapper is specifically designed to fit GA715014 GEG1 models. It ensures a perfect fit, providing a seamless replacement. Enjoy consistent flushing performance with this replacement. It's a reliable product, offering the trusted quality of Gerber plumbing. What we like. This product features easy installation and a transparent design for easy inspection. If you are looking for a hassle-free replacement that simplifies maintenance, you should consider this. What people say. Gets the job done. I will be getting spares. Great Gerber replacement. This flapper works for approximately 3 years. Found this flapper and it worked perfectly, easy to install and stopped the leaking water from the tank into the bowl. Number 3. Gerber 99-770. This is the Gerber 99-770. It's a reliable tool designed for various tasks. You can count on it to get the job done. The Gerber 99-770 is built to last. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions. It's a great addition to any toolkit. With the Gerber 99-770, you'll experience ease of use. Its design makes it comfortable to handle. It's a practical choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This tool offers versatility. It's suitable for a wide range of applications. You'll find it indispensable for your projects. The Gerber 99-770 is a must-have. It combines quality and performance. You will not regret having it. What we like. This product offers a front-mount design and is a direct replacement for Gerber gravity flush tanks. If you are looking for a straightforward and reliable handle replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The OEM replacement was a good fit and works perfectly. It was hard to discover the correct part with several Gerber replacement numbers. My tank had the exact flapper hashtag listed, so it was easy to order the correct one. Installation was very easy. These have done an excellent job stopping the water leaking out of the tank, which is expected since they are the OEM part. Number 2. HRP Gerber Gravity Flush Toilet Lever, White. This lever handle has received high praise from customers. It's a reliable replacement part, ensuring your toilet functions smoothly. Many users have found it to be the perfect solution for their needs. This lever is designed for front mount installations. Make sure your toilet's lever is front mounted before purchasing. This ensures a proper fit and function. The handle has a straight design. This is important for compatibility with your toilet model. Check your existing lever to confirm it's straight. This lever is specifically designed for gravity flush toilets. It's not a universal part, so confirm your toilet type. Using the correct part is essential for optimal performance. This is a direct replacement for Gerber part number 99 to 586. It's made to the original specifications for a perfect fit. Replacing the old lever with this one is easy. What we like. This product is durable and easy to install. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting bath drain, this is a great option. What people say. This one is sturdy and working fine. The job only took 10 minutes for the toilet to work as good as new. This was an exact replacement for a broken flush lever in a 2000s-era Gerber toilet. Number 1. Gerber Plumbing 41806 Bath Drain in Shoe. Today, we're taking a look at the Gerber Plumbing 41806. This is a bath drain in shoe. It's a reliable product for your bathroom. The model number is 41806. This model is designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. You can trust it. This product is manufactured in China. It's built with quality materials to ensure durability. It is a great choice. The brand is Gerber Plumbing. They are known for their quality plumbing products. It is a great choice. This is the Gerber Bath Drain in Shoe. It is a great addition to any bathroom. It is a reliable product. What we like. This product is durable and easy to install. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting bath drain, this is a great option. What people say. Use this shoe and over for a clawfoot tub. Very nice piece. Heavy duty. Fits our new tub install in our bathroom remodel and works as intended. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.